Talofa, and good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Just woke up. Today I'm taking a day off work to help out Uncle and Pa finish off the taro load shipment for American Samoa. So hope you guys enjoy our episode today. Also, special Talofa to our Ainga members. We'll definitely, update you as we go. We've got a lot of work to do, and ship leaves tomorrow, so we're going to get this on the way. And then I'll catch you guys soon. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. See you soon. Alright guys, so we're just going to take a quick break. Still got a lot to go, but we're just going to send the drone to the cattle farm to check on the cows because we're very busy at the moment. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've just arrived at the cattle farm. I'm still trying to find the cattle at this point, but I can't really see them, so I'm just having a snoop around. So the cows do have a tendency to be in the shade sometimes, so it's really hard to see from this angle where exactly the cows are. So I'm trying to hug the tree lines here coming up and just trying to look under the shade to see if I can find them, because I can't really see them, but also sometimes they could be under the coconuts as well. So that's what I was trying to have a look at this point. So yeah, unfortunately I couldn't really see them from these angles, so I knew they were still there, but I just needed to make a trip there, so I thought I might as well pop in later on. But then back to the taro. Alright guys, just coming with the kids. They don't have school for 2 weeks, so they're on break. But we're just coming to the cattle farm to pour some water for the cows. As you guys saw, when I sent in the drone in the morning, I couldn't see them, but that's obviously because they're probably under the shades of the trees. So that's, I was trying to zoom in because it is quite hot. and the cows have a tendency just to lay in the shade under the trees because it's nice and cool. So we're just gonna come confirm they're here, pour some water for the cows, then we'll head back home and then help finish the taro. So the girls are a big fan of the farm and always enjoy the ride here as well, but I hardly bring them, so it's been quite a while since they're back. But also the last time they were here, you were you couldn't see the sea, so they're pretty surprised that you can see the sea now from the plantation. Little farm girls. Right, we're here now. Gonna pour the water for the cows. Girls here. So we can see cows there. So I was right. They do have a tendency to stand in the shade, which is why we couldn't see them. The rest of them are down on the other end over there. So yeah, gonna pour some water for the cows, then we'll head back. Adi. Đậu cọc phong bạo. Pero nung piki apo. Ayos pang paulay. Yeah, check. Chawal po Sophie. Yeah. Liyay, chawali kong. Walo ko. Alright guys, so we're just gonna head back to the house now and finish up the taro. Also need to make food for the family and the boys working hard, so quickly do that now. Cool. Oh, ik kan feed him down. Sa away po. Alright guys, so we're back at home now. I'm just gonna quickly get on the feed, prep the feed for Pa and the boys, and also for the kids because they're home as well. So I'm gonna quickly get started. Most of it is just heating up some of the leftover food, but we're gonna hit some pisupo, noodles, and cabbage. Quick but satisfying. Alright, for rice, we've got, I think, the pork charters from Sunday. Got our chop suey here, and then the fried fish. Gonna get started on the pisupo. So I think the oil is hot. Throw in the onions. Wait for that to cook, then we add the pisupo and the cabbage. So the Maggi noodle flavor is curry flavor, so I'm thinking I might as well use the flavoring packets for the pisupo. Alright, now that the onion is cooking, it's almost there, I'm going to add in the flavoring packets. Sorry guys, gonna need my hands for this. Alright, next we're gonna add the cabbage. And then after that, it'll be the noodles. So now that all the water from the cabbage is now in the food, we're going to add the noodles, and the noodles is going to take up all of that moisture water. All right, noodles in, give that a stir, and we're done. Just going to leave it on low heat and allow the time for the noodles to take up the moisture. Alright guys, so we're just going to get some feed into us, get the food for the kids, and then we'll head back to finishing off the taro. Energy levels have gone down significantly, so just feeling that tiredness kicking in, but still got to push through. Alright guys, so just weighing out the taro, packing them, and then taking them down to the house for you guys. To the home stretch. And after a very long day, we decided to send back the drone just to check up on the cattle. You know, we were all pretty tired at that time and just didn't have the energy levels to go back to the cattle farm to check on the cows. So, but that's, that's proper use of technology right there. That's the reason why we have, we could use the drone as well. So we sent the drone back, check on the cattle and see if they're all there, and also to check on the plantation to see if got any roaming around, thieves roaming around and stuff. But yeah, we were all pretty tired at this point. Alright guys, as you guys saw there, we sent the drone to check on the cows. So we've only got the stitching left to do. So we're going to stitch up all 35, I think, sacks. And then call it a day. So yeah guys, if you've enjoyed today's episode, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel guys. We'll definitely catch you on our next episode, but until then, God bless, take care, stay safe guys, and we'll see you soon.